Okay, expand 1 plus root 3 squared, give your answer in the form a plus b root 3, where a and b are integers. So we don't want to kind of use our calculator for this. This is designed to be a kind of non-calculator type question. Although these days, if you do put it into your calculator, lots of calculators do actually give this in third form, but they need to see a bit of working to know that you're doing it right. So we're squaring this, so 1 plus root 3 times 1 plus root 3. We can do this in a grid, or we can probably, given we've got to this point, do it in our head. 1 times 1 is, well, let's show you the grid actually, because some of you, this might be the first time you've seen third form. 1 and root 3, 1 and root 3. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times root 3 is root 3, 1 times root 3 is root 3, and root 3 times root 3, well, root 3 times root 3, well, that's just 3 by definition of what root is. So we've got 4 and 2 root 3's. So there's our answer in that form, 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay, and then this one says calculate the exact value of the length PR. So PR is here, give your answer as a third form. So quite a bit involved in this question. We want this, it's a non-right angle triangle, so I want this length, I've got this angle that I'm going to call A, call this B and C, and I'm then going to use the cosine rule, which is on my formula sheet, and I've got A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So let's just keep going with A squared. It's B squared, so that's 2 squared plus 1 plus root 3 squared. Oh, that's useful. I'm giving us something we can use. In the previous part, 2 times B, which is 2 times C, which is 1 plus root 3, times the cosine of A. Well, that's cos of 60. Now, we can either type the cos of 60 into our calculator and work out that it's a half, or do a little drawing if you want. This is really useful for exact forms of cos and sine. Equilateral triangle has a 60-degree angle here. We drop a perpendicular, call that 2 and call that 1. It's going to drop it in half. That's going to be the cos of 60 is the adjacent, which is 1 over the hypotenuse, which is 2, so that's a half. Okay, so let's get back to simplifying this. That's 4 plus, we know that this is 4 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 times 2 times 1 plus root 3 times a half. So times them by 2 and times by half, they're going to go. So I've got 4 plus 2, 3 minus 2 minus 2 root 3. Yep, so that's 8 minus 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. That is going to be 6. So A squared is 6, so A is the square root of 6. That's in exact form. Give your answer as a third. So the square root of 6. There we go.